Hello, I'm Dr. Tidell. I'm in the biology division, mostly teaching anatomy and physiology. And I would like to talk to you today about the advanced biology seminars, explain what they are, and hopefully convince you to apply. Okay? So, why would you want to be a part of the advanced biology seminars? I should tell you right up front, doesn't give you any units. Okay? I should also tell you right up front, because it doesn't give you any units, there are no exams, there are no quizzes, and there are no homeworks. Okay? So, why would you want to join us? It helps improve your test taking skills. It also can help you begin your MCAT prep if you're a pre med. A really exciting thing is it allows others that are on the educational path that you're on, it allows you to meet them. I'm sure that all of you have had those times when you were like, oh man, I wish I could just discuss my ideas about being a pre-med with someone who knows how I feel. You will find those people in the advanced biology seminars. You will find other people who are like, science, I want to be a scientist. I can't imagine anything better than to just be doing research all the time. You will find those people in the advanced biology seminars. Another thing is it looks really good on your resume. The advanced biology seminars, just having them on your resume, gives you something interesting on your resume, and it gives you a leg up on other people who are applying for the same kind of internship opportunities that you are once you transfer. Okay. It'll help you get into that lab internship. The advanced biology seminars, they meet in real life. I don't know if we'll be meeting in real life. I'm going to keep pushing for that. But they will be meeting for 1 hour a week. They meet on Fridays. The Strange Biology Seminar meets from 11 to noon on Fridays, and the Medical Research Seminar meets from 1 to 2 p.m. on Fridays. Those of you who are going to medical school, a career in research, even those of you who are just transferring as a biology major to a 4-year institution, these advanced biology seminars are going to be an hour of a week very well spent. To get an application, you can just email me right here at ctidell, that's me, at cerritos.edu, or you can go to my webpage at ctidell and find them under the ABS, Advanced Biology Seminars. Either way. The deadline for the application is February 13th, so you've got a couple weeks. The seminars start on February 18th, that's a Friday. Let me tell you a little bit about the seminars, okay? Strange biology seminars. The strange biology seminars are my favorite because I was like you. When I was first learning biology, gosh, that very first course is so much memorization. But even when you're in Bio 200 and Bio 201, you are learning how life normally does stuff. Okay? But the truth is that there are some organisms on planet Earth, some entire ecosystems on planet Earth that do things in a very different, very extremely different way. Okay. And when they do it, it seems like they're breaking the rules, but they're not breaking the rules. They're just taking the rules and bending them, turning them on their head a little bit. For example, you probably have learned that boiling things kills life. Actually, it doesn't kill all life, right? This is an example of Yellowstone National Park. This is huge. This is like a little walkway here. Those are people on the walkway. That's boiling water. Right here at the edge of this boiling water, so just barely below boiling, there's life growing there. You might think it's super tough. It's not super tough. If you bring those organisms down to human body temperature, they freeze to death. How can that be? That's the kind of thing that we explore in the advanced biology seminars. The beginning of the strange biology seminar of the advanced biology seminars this semester is going to be an exploration of how we are looking for life on other planets and moons. We're not just looking on planets now, we're also looking on moons. We want to know, is water necessary? Or could there be other fluids like ammonia or methane that could be the basis for a form of life on another planet? What would life look like? Like, would we recognize it if we saw it? That's an interesting question. Some people believe photosynthesis is necessary for a planet to sustain life. That's an interesting concept. What range of temperatures should we be looking at? That's another interesting concept. Here's another example of a strange biology topic. Tardigrades, tardigrades, they are like mummies. Now, tardigrades don't have a thirst for human souls like a typical mummy does, but they are like a mummy in that they can dehydrate entirely for decades under scientific um, conditions. They have zero metabolism, no biochemical processes, which is one of the definitions for not being alive, being dead, and then a single droplet of water, they come back to life. Okay, they actually look like this. They were featured in the movie Ant-Man. I think it was Ant-Man 2. They were featured in. You might think such a creature, this tardigrade thing, must be very exotic. If we looked on campus, we probably would find them all around us. And I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that we will be able to work with them this semester in the advanced biology seminars. Before I do this, let me tell you a little bit about the medical research seminar. The medical research seminar, a little bit more competitive, a little bit more challenging than the strange biology seminar that's so close to my heart. The medical research seminar, we will actually use MCAT questions as the framework of the seminar. Now, these aren't the regular MCAT multiple choice questions. These are something called passage sets, where you're designed to read a quick scientific passage about something that you have not studied, to understand it well enough to be able to interpret the graphs and tables that are included there and answer questions about it. So that's the medical research seminar. Really, really challenging, wicked, difficult stuff. Okay. So what are the requirements for attending the advanced biology seminars? Well, you do have to be invited. And so you do have to complete an application. It's mostly answering some simple questions. You do need a recommender from among your professors. That recommender does not have to write any kind of letter of recommendation. Mostly that recommender, it's our opportunity for them to know that you are applying. And then generally, when you excel at the advanced biology seminars, I will be informing them of what you're bringing to the seminars. It's actually my way of making it easier for you to get a letter of recommendation from that person. But applications are evaluated individually by a committee. That's why there's a deadline for the applications. Students have to have a cumulative GPA of 3.3 or better. Students have to have passed Math 80 or higher with at least a B, passed Chem 110 or higher with at least a B, English, yes, and some basic biology course, Bio 120, Zo 120, or AP 120. These requirements are to make sure that you are ready to fully jump into the difficult material that we'll be talking about. It is not our intention to take someone who's a young freshman and overwhelm them and discourage them, right? We want you to know what we're talking about so that you can feel challenged and not overwhelmed. That being said, the applications are evaluated individually. So if you think you basically are prepared for the advanced biology seminars, but you don't quite have a 3.3 GPA because the first seminar here, you had no idea what you were doing and you kind of messed up, or you took advanced placement biology in high school, I still would encourage you to apply and to make your case. All righty. So what else? I hope you will consider joining the advanced biology seminars. this semester, or maybe in fall. We hope to have them again in fall of 22. Remember the deadlines, remember the application. You can find the applications on my personal webpage, and you also can find this particular PowerPoint on my individual webpage. Uh, I, Students that have done the advanced biology seminars, uh, about 80% of them that complete the one seminar will participate in a second seminar. And I think that tells you that students find them worth that 1 hour a week. No homework, no tests, just jump in for an hour a week and see what you can learn and challenge yourself. All right? Bye.